Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm diving into Azure Security, and I'll walk you through some key practices to keep your data safe and sound. First things first, let's talk about Azure Security Center. Think of it as your security dashboard, where you get an overview of your security posture. It gives you recommendations based on best practices and helps you fix security vulnerabilities before they turn into actual problems. So, how do you leverage the Azure Security Center? Start by enabling security policies across all your subscriptions. This ensures you're consistently monitoring for threats and vulnerabilities, no matter the environment. Also, remember to set up just-in-time VM access to limit exposure to your VMs. This way, you reduce the attack surface significantly. Next, let's dive into Azure Key Vault. This is where you store and manage secrets like API keys, passwords, certificates, and even encryption keys. By centralizing these secrets, you can easily control access and audit usage. To set up Azure Key Vault, head over to the Azure portal, create a new Key Vault, and configure access policies. Make sure you use role-based access control, RBAC, to grant specific permissions to users and applications. This minimizes the risk of unauthorized access. Now let's talk encryption. Azure offers multiple encryption options to secure your data both in transit and at rest. For data in transit, always use HTTPS and SSL/TLS protocols to encrypt the data as it moves between your applications and Azure services. For data at rest, Azure Disk Encryption and Azure Storage Service Encryption are your go-to solutions. With Azure Disk Encryption, you can protect your virtual machine disks using BitLocker for Windows VMs and dmcrypt for Linux VMs. On the other hand, Azure Storage Service Encryption automatically encrypts your data before storing it and decrypts it before retrieval. No extra coding required. Finally, don't forget about network security. Utilize network security groups, NSGs, to control inbound and outbound traffic to your resources. Define rules that allow or deny traffic based on IP address, port, and protocol. For an extra layer of security, set up Azure Firewall to create, enforce, and log network and application rules across your subscriptions. And there you have it, a quick overview of some critical Azure security practices. Remember, securing your cloud environment is an ongoing process. Keep monitoring, updating, and refining your strategies to stay one step ahead of potential threats. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.